Good morning, children. Let us see the next question. Question number 5. If NPR is equal to 336 and NCR is equal to 56, find the value of N and R, and also find N plus 2 C R plus 1. So here NCR is equal to 56 is given over here. So NCR equal to 56. NCR we know it can be written NPR upon factorial R is equal to 56. So NPR will be equal to 56 into factorial R. But here in the question, NPR is equal to how much? 336. So we can use this NPR equal to 336 over here. Yes. So we get 336 equal to 56 into factorial R. So factorial R will be 336 upon 56. Then we get factorial R equal to 6. Then factorial R equal to this 6 can be written 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So this is nothing but factorial 3. Okay. So here R factorial equal to factorial 3. That means R equal to 3. Yes. So now NCR equal to 56. So we have got the value of R. Now we are looking for the value of N. So NCR equal to 56. So NCR means what? Factorial N upon factorial N minus R into factorial R is equal to 56. So we know the value of R. So we'll put the value of R. So factorial N upon factorial N minus 3 into factorial 3 equal to 56. So this factorial N, okay, this factorial N can be written as N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into factorial N minus 3, and down we can write factorial N minus 3, and this factorial 3 can be taken on the right hand side. Yes. So in next step, factorial N minus 3 is divided and this in denominator factorial N minus 3, they get cancelled. Okay. So we are left with N into N minus 1 into N minus 2, and this 56 over here, that 56 can be written as 8 into 7, and this factorial 3 means 6. So we get over here 8 into 7 into 6. Okay. And this 8 into 7 into 6 can be written as 8 into 8 minus 1 into 8 minus 2. So if you compare your left hand side and right hand side, then clearly your N is equal to 8. So that's how you get your N. So now you know your N, you know your R, so you can find N plus 2 C R plus 1. So substitute the values and you'll get the answer. Okay, next question is question number 7. How many different committees of 5 members may be formed from 8 Indians and 4 foreigners? So here one committee has to be formed which will have only 5 members. Okay, and those 5 members have to be selected from 8 Indians and 4 foreigners. Okay, so it may happen that all the 5 members can be Indian, or all the 5 members can be foreigner, or it may happen that some are Indians, some are foreigners. Okay, so let us see the cases. 5 members committee has to be formed from 8 Indians and 4 foreigners. The selection can be done in the following ways. Okay, now we can do 5 Indians and 0 foreigner, means no foreigner. So that means we are selecting from 8 Indians, we are selecting 5 members. Okay, so that's why we write 8C5. That means selection has been done from 8. Okay, and how many we are selecting at a time? 5. So 8C5. And from those foreigners, okay, those 4 foreigners, we are not selecting anyone. So that's why 4C0. Okay, so here sum should come 5. Okay, because here in our selection, okay, members should be 5. Okay, so altogether we are selecting 5 members. So sum of these two should be 5 only. So 5 plus 0, 5. So if you calculate, you will get 56. Okay. Now next case can be, we can take 4 Indians and 1 foreigner. So that means from 8 Indians we'll take 4 members, and from 4 foreigners we'll take 1 member. Okay, so you can say 4 plus 1, 5. So it's coming 5. Okay, you solve it, you'll get 280. So 280 selection can be done in this manner, where 4 Indians will be there, 1 foreigner will be there. Next choice can be 3 Indians and 2 foreigners. So that means out of 8 we'll take 3 and out of 4 foreigners we'll take 2. Okay, so you get 336. Next choice can be 2 Indians, 3 foreigners. So we can have 8C2 into 4C3 equal to 112. Next choice can be 1 Indian and 4 foreigner. Okay, so it can be this. We cannot have 0 Indians because here we have got only 4 foreigners. Okay, and in total we should have 5 members. Okay, so at least we have to have 1 Indian. So this is the last case. Okay, now you add all these cases. Okay, and that would be the required number of selections that you can make. Okay, next question is question 8.2. In how many ways can a student choose 5 courses out of 9 courses if 2 courses are compulsory for every student? So there are 9 courses. Out of those 9 you have to choose 5. Okay, but 2 are made compulsory for you. Okay, so there are 9 courses. Out of those 9, 2 are compulsory. Okay, and you have to make a choice of 5 courses. Okay, so that means since 2 are compulsory, so whatever choices you have to make out of 7. Okay, and since total choices should be 5 but 2 are compulsory, so 3 choices has to be made from 7. There are 9 courses, out of which 5 courses have to be selected, but 2 particular courses are compulsory. Okay, so now only 3 selections have to be done out of 7 courses, and it can be done in 7C 3 ways. That means 35 ways. Next question is question number 9.1. In how many ways can a committee of 6 men and 2 women be formed out of 10 men and 5 women? So we are supposed to make a select a committee which will have 6 men and 2 women. Okay, and these 6 men have to be selected out of 10 men. Okay, and these 2 women have to be selected out of these 5 women. Okay, so total number of men 10, total number of women 5. Okay, and the committee must have 6 men and 2 women. Okay, that means altogether 8 members will be there. So the committee can be formed in this manner. Okay, we can have 6 men out of 10, so 10C 6, and we have to have 2 women, so out of how many? 5, so 5C2, so we can have 2100 ways. Okay, so 2100 ways. Next is question 10. A man has 8 friends. In how many ways may he invite one or more? Okay, one or more of them to a dinner. Okay, so in this question, like, he has got 8 friends. Okay, and they're asking in how many ways may he invite one or more of them to a dinner. Okay, so here they have not fixed that he or she has to invite 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, he said that it completely depends on that man. Okay, they only know that that man has got 8 friends, and now it depends on that man how many he is going to invite. So it may happen that that man can invite only 1 friend, or he may invite 2 friends, or he may invite 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. It completely depends on him. Okay, so the man can invite 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 friends out of 8 in each case. Okay, so therefore the total number of ways in which he can invite his friend is, so suppose he invites only 1 friend for the dinner, so 1 friend, okay, out of 8 can be invited in how many ways? So 8C1. Suppose he decides that I will invite 2 friends. Okay, so those 2 friends out of 8 can be invited in how many ways? 8C2. If he decide that he will call 3 friends, then those 3 friends, okay, can be selected how many ways? 8C3. So 4 friends can be selected 8C4. 5 friends can be selected as 8C5. 6 can be selected as 8C6, 8C7, 8C8. Okay, so this is how you can invite. Okay, but here you can see that 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and here it is starting with 1 till 8. Okay, so we know that if you have something like this, NC1 plus data dash plus NCN, okay, then sum of this will be 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so here this would become 2 to the power 8 minus 1. Okay, which would be equal to 255. Okay, so he can invite his friends in 255 ways. Okay, so note down the number of combinations of n different things taken one or more at a time is given by this. Okay, so you could have straight used this formula for this question, because here you knew that there are 8 different friends. Okay, and here they are selected one or more at a time. Okay, they have selected one or more at a time, so straight you could have used this formula, 2 to the power 8 minus 1. So this is also one result. Okay, the number of combinations of n different things taken one or more at a time is given by this. Okay, next question. In an examination, a candidate has to pass in each of the 5 subjects. In how many ways can he fail? So one candidate has to pass in every subject in order to pass the examination. Okay, so now the question is how many ways he can fail. So suppose if he fails in one subject, then he's failed. If he fails in 2 subjects, then still he's failed. If he fails in 3 subjects, then still he's failed. If he fails in 4, then still he's failed. If he fails in 5, then he's failed. Okay, so that means he can, okay, let's see then. The candidate can fail by failing in 1 or 2 or this 3 or 4 or 5 out of 5 in each. So therefore the total number of ways in which he can fail is 5C1. Okay, if he fails in one subject, okay, still he's failed, but how many ways he can fail in one subject? Okay, so 5C1. If he fails in 2 subjects, still he's failed, so but how many ways he can fail in 2 subjects? So 5C2, so on, and then you can see this will be 2 to the power 5 minus 1. That means 31 ways he can fail. Question 12.1. From 6 boys and 4 girls, 5 are to be selected for admission for a particular course. Okay, so 6 boys and 4 girls are there, but out of these students, only 5 are to be selected for admission for a particular course. So in how many ways can this be done if there must be exactly 2 girls? Okay, so that means they have to admit 5 students. Okay, and one condition is there that exactly 2 girls must be there. Okay, exactly means not less than and more than 2 girls. Okay, so 6 boys and 4 girls are there, and out of that 5 are to be admitted. So number of boys 6, number of girls 4, 5 students to be selected, but there must be exactly 2 girls. So the required number of combinations. So out of 4 girls, you have to select how many? 2. So you can select 2 girls out of 4 in how many ways? So 4C2. Then how many are left? We are supposed to admit 5, so 2 are admitted, 3 more we need to admit, and those 3 must be boys. So we have to select 3 boys from 6 boys, and that can be done in how many ways? 6C3. Okay, so the total required number of combination will be 6C3 into 4C2. Okay, that would be 20 into 620. Next question is question number 13. At an election, there are 5 candidates and 3 members are to be elected. So 5 candidates are there, and only 3 members are to be elected, and a voter is entitled to vote for any number to be elected. Okay, in how many ways may a voter choose a vote? So there are altogether 5 candidates and 3 members are to be elected, and a voter is entitled to vote for any number to be elected. That means a voter can vote, give only 1 vote, or 2 vote, or 3 vote. Okay, so number of candidates 5, number of posts 3. So one can select the candidates in following ways. So the voter votes, suppose the voter votes for 1 post for only 1 member. Okay, then this can be done. Okay, 5C1, because he is selecting only 1. Okay, and that selection is doing out of what? 5 members, 5 candidates. So that can be done 5C1. Now suppose the voters goes and selects, he decides that he will select 2 members. Okay, so out of 5 he has to select 2. So that selection he can do 5C 2 ways. Okay, now suppose he decide, no, I'm going to elect 3 members. So that selection is going to do out of 5 candidates. So that can be done in 5C 3 ways. Okay, so the required number of ways 5C1 plus 5C2 plus 5C3, that would come 25 ways. Okay, he can the voter choose in how many ways? So he can choose the vote in 25 ways. Okay, now question 17. In how many ways can a selection of 6 books be made from 10 books? Okay, when one specified book is always included. Number 2, when one specified book is always excluded. So there are 10 books. There are 10 books, and out of those 10 books, you have to select 6 books. Okay. Now, for the first question, the condition is 1 book is always included over there. Okay, so that means I'm left with only 9 books to do the selection. Okay, and out of that 9 I have to only select 5. Okay, because 1 is already included. And in the next question, 1 is when one specified book is always excluded. Okay, so let's see. So number of books 10, 6 books are to be selected. When 1 is fixed in every combination, then number of required combination will be 10 minus 1, C 6 minus 1. Okay, because here we have to do the selection of 6 books out of 10, but they are saying that 1 is always there. 1 book is always included over there. That means now I've got only 9 books, and from then 9 books I have to select 5. Yes, so that's why it is 9C5. It comes 126. Now next is when 1 is excluded from every combination. Okay, so there are 10 books. From those 10 books, 1 is always excluded. Okay, that 1 is never put in any selection. Okay, and here that means out of, now we are left with 9. So out of those 9, you have to make selection of 6 books. Okay, so that can be done in this ways. Okay, 9C6. So that means 84 ways you can select 6 books. Okay, where 6 books out of 10 where 1 is excluded. Okay, so this is all for today.